আইছিলাম আইউটিতে রাজা মতো কাটাবো দিন এই লাল রাজপ্রাসাদে ও কত স্বপ্ন নিয়ে আমি আইছিলাম আইউটিতে রাজা মতো কাটাবো দিন এই লাল রাজপ্রাসাদে বড় ভাইদের মুখে হাসি ছিল সবই ছলনা সুখে থাকার স্বপ্ন আমার পূরণ আর হলো না
Those I really love will never really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, 'cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories.